May ano pa, language cruise. Language cruise. English and Chinese yan. Mag-cruise tayo guys, let's go.
Sit also if you don't want to get wet. Please fill all the seat at the front, please. Careful, watch your steps. Careful.
Welcome to the world famous Jungle River Cruise. My name is Lincoln. I will be a skipper today. Welcome everyone. For your safety, please remain seated with your hands on feet facing inside the boat and please look after your children. Alright, let's start our journey. I have a question. Do you know what is on the right hand side? Do you know what that is? Tarzan Treehouse. But for today, Tarzan and Jane is going to vacation. So maybe next time you guys can visit him, but not today, alright? Nowadays, so many scientists doing some research into Tarzan Treehouse. But where are the scientists, alright? Maybe we will see them later, never mind. Alright, let's start our journey. Do you see what in front of us? Yes, this is the mother elephant. The mother elephant eating the baby elephant have this rainwater. Look at that, they're very cute. Let's say hello to them. Hello. Alright, so on the right hand side there are brother elephant here. The brother elephant loves taking showers. But remember, don't take showers too long, otherwise you got so many wrinkles like him. I don't take showers, so I don't have any wrinkles, of course. This is the father elephant. The father elephant loves sleeping, don't wake him up, otherwise he will spray us. Look at that, he's ready. Again. Alright, we're entered the jungle now. Let me check my map. Oh no, I seem lost. What is this? Oh, spiders! Oh no, be careful guys! They are poisonous! Be careful! Look at that! Look at all this compress! They are poisonous too, be careful! Oh no! Can you see what in front of us? You know what? Those crocodiles, they are very hungry. We call them crocodile. Do you know what they call us? What crocodile call us? Yeah, let me check. It's tea time. Let's go to feed the tea. Alright. Oh, this is the scientist campus. So why they all turn into gorilla? They have a gun, guys. Be careful. Anyone have banana? male or female? Anyone knows? It's very simple. Actually, the male zebra, these two, left-hand side. These three, right-hand side, the female zebra. It's very simple. Do you know why? How to define? Do you know why? Because the female is always right on the right-hand side. Alright, yeah, Joe. Thank you guys. And this is the most speed elephant in the jungle. Be careful. Be careful, be careful. This is the most speed. Be careful. They are arguing. Let's go, let's go. Oh, I see something in the pool. I see something in the pool. Be careful, guys. You guys remember to brush your teeth every day. Oh, they are the scientists. Single on the shack is my friend wearing the green shirt. Alright. Anyone can help save them? Anyone? No? Fine? Oh, you guys. Actually, it's very simple. Just swim over there and change your seat with them. Anyone? Oh no. Alright. Sorry guys, as you can see, you can't help. Good luck. Sorry, goodbye. Oh no, where we are? Look at all those smelly faces. I think they're friendly, isn't it? Smelly pictures. No need to be worried. Hello, are you guys having party? I can hear the drums. Are you guys having party? Anyone get hurt? Anyone jump to the river? No, safe. Okay, perfect. Alright, you know what? I can see the dog is in front of us. We can go back now, finally. Alright, we're safe. Ooh, I miss my mom. I can go back home now, thank God. Alright, you guys enjoy this journey? Yes, if you guys enjoy this journey, please. Congratulations, we back. And that is the baby elephant here. The baby elephant has something to say, I guess. Okay, the baby elephant is appreciate you guys because you guys are really brave. Alright, we can go back to the door. Please make sure your hands and elbow is inside the boat. Hands and elbow, don't put in the gray area. Just keep it in the boat. Keep it in the boat. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. Alright, for your safety, otherwise you will damage our door. Just go back. Do you guys enjoy this journey? Yeah. If you guys enjoy this journey, please remember my name. My name is Lincoln. Nice to meet you all. Hope next time we can go adventure together very soon. Alright. Please come back, alright. Give me a few more seconds to stop my ball and then you guys can leave me alone.